Remember that incredible feeling after a great salon visit when you look in the mirror and feel instantly younger? That's the undeniable impact of a fantastic haircut. Here's something many women might not realize. There are fresh, contemporary hairstyles specifically designed to work magic. These looks can immediately provide a visible lift to your features, create fullness exactly where you need it, and leave you looking naturally stylish and polished without any extra effort. In this guide, we're exploring 5 inventive haircut ideas that you might not have considered before. Each style is chosen to highlight your best assets and boost your confidence like never before. Welcome to Timeless Style, the community dedicated to celebrating how great you can look and feel throughout every chapter of your life. If you're ready to discover a new hairstyle that could feel like your personal secret to turning back the clock, go ahead and hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss our tips for feeling and looking your absolute best.
Haircut number 1 is the Airy Wolf Cut, and trust me, this one is a game changer. If you've seen the bold, edgy wolf cut all over social media and thought, that's not for me, let me stop you right there. The airy version is softer, more wearable, and perfect for women over 50 who want a little lift and movement without going too extreme. This cut has gentle layers around the crown that give your hair that natural boost, while the ends are light and wispy, creating a look that feels fresh, youthful, and full of life. It's not about looking wild, it's about adding volume where you need it most, especially if your hair has started to thin over the years. One of the biggest benefits of the Airy Wolf Cut is how much life it brings back to your face. Those soft, face-framing layers draw the eye upward, highlighting your cheekbones and elongating your neck, which can make your whole appearance look more lifted. It's also a wonderful cut for women who want to add a little personality to their look. Whether your hair is naturally straight, wavy, or somewhere in between, this style works beautifully because it's meant to look effortless. You don't need to spend an hour styling it every morning. A quick blow-dry with a diffuser or even a finger comb on air-dried hair will give you that casual, chic finish. To style this cut, I recommend using a lightweight mousse or volumizing spray while your hair is damp to bring out its natural movement. If you want to go a step further, flip your head upside down as you dry your hair to get even more lift at the roots. And here's the best part. This cut grows out beautifully. You won't find yourself running to the salon every 4 weeks to maintain it. The Airy Wolf Cut is low maintenance, trendy without being too out there, and it makes you look like the confident, vibrant woman you are. Haircut number 2 is the curly lob with micro layers, and it's perfect for women who want to embrace their natural texture while still looking polished and put together. A lob, or long bob, is already one of the most universally flattering cuts, but adding micro layers takes it to a whole new level. These tiny, hidden layers are carefully cut throughout the hair to release bulk and weight, allowing curls to form more evenly and look bouncier. The result is hair that moves beautifully and frames the face in a way that feels fresh and youthful. This style works for women with naturally curly hair, permed hair, or even those with a soft wave they want to enhance. One of the reasons the curly lob with micro layers is so effective at making women over 50 look younger is because it eliminates that heavy, boxy shape that curls can sometimes take on as they grow out. Instead of hair looking like one solid mass, the micro layers give it a shape and structure that is light and airy. This cut draws attention to your cheekbones and eyes while keeping the overall look soft, which is perfect for balancing mature features. And because the layers are internal, they don't make the ends look too thin or wispy. Your hair will still have plenty of body, just with a much more flattering silhouette. Styling this cut is surprisingly easy. After washing, apply a good curl cream or leave-in conditioner to keep your curls hydrated and frizz-free. Then gently scrunch your hair and either let it air dry or use a diffuser to bring out the full curl pattern. The beauty of the style is that it's meant to look effortless. No need to overthink it. If you want a slightly dressier look, you can add a few defined curls with a small barrel iron just around your face for a polished finish. This haircut is a celebration of natural texture, and wearing it proudly sends a powerful message that beauty isn't about hiding or controlling what you have, but enhancing it. Haircut number 3 is the layered A-line Midi, and it's a wonderful option for women who want a sleek, modern look without going too short. The A-line cut is slightly shorter in the back and gradually gets longer toward the front, but this version adds soft layers so it feels light and full of movement. This keeps the style from looking too severe, which can sometimes be the case with a sharp, blunt A-line bob. The layered A-line Midi sits just above the shoulders or right at the collarbone, which is one of the most flattering lengths for mature women. It frames the face beautifully, elongates the neck, and gives your whole look a graceful, sophisticated edge. This cut is especially great for women with thicker hair who want to reduce weight without sacrificing style. The layers are subtle and blended, so you get the benefit of a slimmer shape and more natural flow without choppy lines. The longer front pieces are incredibly flattering because they create a face framing effect that softens the jawline and makes the face look slimmer. If you've been wearing your hair the same way for years and want something that feels fresh but not too trendy, this is the perfect happy medium, modern and flattering, but still timeless enough to look good for years to come. Styling the layered A-line Midi can be as simple or as polished as you want it to be. For an everyday look, blow dry with a round brush to create a gentle curve at the ends and a little volume at the roots. If you want a softer, more casual style, try adding loose waves with a curling wand. This gives the haircut a playful, youthful vibe that works for weekends or casual outings. For a sleeker appearance, use a flat iron and finish with a shine serum for that perfect, smooth salon look. This haircut is versatile, easy to maintain, and keeps you looking stylish without demanding a complicated routine. Haircut number 4 is the soft razor cut, a style that feels effortlessly chic and just a little bit fashion-forward. Unlike a traditional scissor cut, this style uses a razor to create feathered, tapered ends that look light and airy. The result is a haircut with beautiful texture that moves naturally and never feels too heavy or bulky. This is an excellent choice for women over 50 who want a style that makes them look fresh and youthful without screaming that they tried too hard. It's trendy enough to feel modern, but soft enough to complement mature beauty gracefully. One of the biggest benefits of the soft razor cut is its ability to add instant dimension and interest to your hair. The razor ends prevent the style from looking too stiff or blocky, which can sometimes add years to your appearance. Instead, your hair will have that effortless, "I woke up this way" vibe that's so popular right now. This cut works for a variety of hair lengths, from a chin-length, shaggy bob to a longer, shoulder-length style, and can be customized for any face shape. Your stylist can add more or less texture depending on how bold or subtle you want to go, making this a very versatile option. Styling the soft razor cut is refreshingly low maintenance. Apply a lightweight texturizing spray or mousse to damp hair and either air dry with your fingers for natural movement, or you can use a flat iron to add slight bends in the hair for an undone, lived-in look that feels youthful and playful. This cut thrives on a little bit of imperfection. It's meant to look soft, touchable, and full of personality. If you've been stuck in a routine with perfectly even, blunt haircuts, this might be just the shakeup you need to breathe new life into your style. Haircut number 5 is the long layered bob with internal layers, a subtle but incredibly effective way to refresh your look after 50. At first glance, this style looks like a classic long bob, but the magic is in the internal layers that are hidden beneath the surface. These layers reduce bulk and add natural lift, which keeps the outside line of the haircut sleek and polished. The result is hair that has beautiful movement, stays bouncier longer, and frames the face with just the right amount of volume. This is a fantastic choice for women who want the sophistication of a bob without feeling weighed down or flat. One of the reasons this haircut works so well for mature women is because it maintains that clean, elegant bob shape while also being softer and easier to wear. The hidden layers help hair fall into place naturally so it never looks too heavy or helmet-like, something that can happen with blunt bobs, especially if your hair is thick. It's also a great option if you like flexibility. You can wear it straight and polished for a professional look or add waves for a playful, more youthful vibe. This cut truly gives you the best of both worlds, structure and freedom. When it comes to styling, this haircut is wonderfully versatile. A simple blow-dry using a round brush will give you a sleek, smooth finish that looks salon-worthy. For a younger, more casual feel, add beachy waves with a curling wand or flat iron. The hidden layers will help the waves look light and effortless. A little bit of texturizing spray can go a long way in enhancing the natural movement of this cut. If you've been searching for a haircut that's timeless but still has that modern, age-defying quality, the long layered bob with internal layers might be the perfect choice for you. And there you have it, 5 fresh, modern haircuts that are perfect for women over 50 who want to look and feel younger. We started with the Airy Wolf Cut, the perfect way to add crown volume and movement without going too edgy. Then we looked at the curly lob with micro layers, which celebrates your natural texture and brings out beautiful bounce. The layered A-line Midi gave us a sleek, slimming shape that's still soft and wearable, while the soft razor cut added that effortless, chic texture that makes your hair look naturally youthful. And finally, we finished with the long layered bob with internal layers, a polished, versatile style that gives you lift and shape without losing that classic bob elegance.
Always remember, the goal of a great haircut isn't just to chase the latest trends. It's about discovering a style that gives you a surge of confidence every time you catch your reflection. Whether you're drawn to a light and layered look, a bouncy and curly shape, or something sharp and polished, there's definitely a perfect fit here for your face shape, personal flair, and daily routine. These styles are more than just cuts. They are simple yet potent ways to revitalize your look and affirm that true beauty has no age limit. If one of these 5 cuts sparked an idea for you, please tell me in the comments below. Let me know which style you're planning to try next, or which picture you will be taking to your stylist. If this video gave you some new inspiration, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Timeless Style. That way, you won't miss any of our tips, tricks, and motivation to help you look and feel your absolute best at every stage. Finally, if you have a friend who could use some fresh haircut ideas, be sure to share this video with her. She'll surely appreciate it when she steps out rocking a fantastic new look.